he wandered the empty streets under neon lights that flickered like fading memories. Shadows stretched far longer than they should, twisting like serpents around cracked pavement and warped signposts. Inside, the walls whispered secrets in a language only the lonely could understand. A clock on the wall wept clock hands, and the plants in the corner drooped as if crushed by invisible grief. He paused by a vendor selling nothing but silence, the cart's outline wavering like a heat shimmer. The streetlights hummed a mournful tune, their glow pooling into patches of black ink that seemed to melt into the cracked concrete. At the roof's edge, he gazed out at a city that had forgotten how to care. Shadows reached for him like desperate hands, ink stains bleeding slowly down the cracked rooftop tiles.
Cold horror stories.